Hello viewers, welcome to Bhavyasrijan. In this video, we learn how to make paper bag. There is a season of festivities, project submission, so let's move. Take a A4 size sheet, then fold it like this. Make a proper neat crease, then stick it. Fold like this, one side. Make a fold, other side too. Then open it and fold it inside. You get a bag. Now fold bottom part or a lower part and upper part too. Take a scissor and cut bottom part like this. Both the sides cut it properly. Then fold side part inside and rest of the sides make a triangle fold and stick it. Your bottom is stick it and your bottom is ready. Bottom part ready. After this, we go to upper side and cut corners like round shape. Fold three sides or parts inside and stick inside. Now your flap is ready. This is your flapped paper bag. Now we decorated with flower, paper flower. I prefer paper flower. You can use any decorative material like stickers or draw something on it. Now stick paper flower on it. Now cut leaf 2 with paper and stick both the sides. In middle you can use pearl or a color or a mica, any decorative material you can use. to fill middle part. Your attractive bag with flap is ready. You can use it as a project submission or a gift bag. Now take another bag and punch it like this and make a loop of paper thread or a wool or a nylon thread like this, and the other bag with the loop is ready. Now decorate it with flower, paper flower, cut it paper flower. I told you earlier I prefer paper flowers. You can use any material. Now stick it, and your other bag is ready. I hope you will enjoy this video and it will very useful in today's scenario when we stay at home and make things with available things in our home. So celebrate your festivals with zeal. Thank you.